Good morning. Today is May 29 and it's almost 5 a.m. na. Sira pa si Chris. Tapos na mga papa ando na sa baba. Nasa 4th floor kasi kami. Ito yung rooms na inoccupy namin kasi na Uncle Ting floor dun sa kabila. Tapos mama dun. Saka si papa. Tapos dito kami. So, early kami na naman. Gagawin to Davao yung biyahe namin ngayon. Medyo may constipation ako kaya hindi maganda yung feeling ko. Tapos, taka pa yung yung CR nila. Hindi mag-flush. Ayun. I got done, no? Kasi, yesterday sabi ni ng kapatid ko, Ote, umitim ka na. I got done. Ayan. Wala pa akong ligo. So, punta tayo sa labas. Okay, so walang maiwan. Yan. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Walang maiwan sa loob ng kwarto. Walang mga chargers, ganyan. Yan. Okay. Dilo. Ako tiyan, ay, miniti lang, ayaw lagi piit.
Apil mo sa video?
Oo, apil. Mana?
Dilisip pa kayo, ha?
Mana?
Mantay, bago ko dito niya.
Pipang.
Ayaw, ako tanaw dito.
Ano na? Okay na. Okay na. Okay, sure na. Sure, Jun.
Laptop ninyo.
Nana.
Bag ninyo.
Nana.
Cellphone. Check nyo pa kayo.
Nana. Pang, ano si Pak Mama?
Kamamahan mo lang.
Kaya si Papa kan. Lagi. Check lahat. So, dapat double time, 3 times, 4 times lahat. Pag naka-check ng gamit. No, Jake. Later na. Wait for them. Okay. Okay, get inside na.
Sige na. Una lang mo.
Sige. Una lang.
Susi eh.
Lalapang. Okay. Floor. Yeah. Blue yung lights dito.
No, it's white. Not blue, it's white. It's white. You're sleeping, guys? That's always gamay. You're sleepy.
I love it.
Please
Ayag na.
your key card here.
Oops.
Check out naman.
Oh, check out na. 3, napay duha. Napay duha ko. Surrender the key card, uy. Okay. Paangat pa kami. Papuntang Davao na to.
Ali, ano sila pang-pang ba?
Cagayan. Oh, Cagayan. Quezano Puerto, Cagayan.
Kuha natin ang wala mapadayon.
Kananghayan subdivision.
Muna siya ang approach kay tungod sa controversial mo na siya. Ano siya ikon, kaso. Dahil mga balay, mga artista niya.
Andito kami sa Shell, guys, sa Malaybalay City. Dito kami mag-breakfast ngayon. Mga 2 hours din yung biyahe pa. 2 hours, more than 2 hours ata from Cagayan. Nagwiwis kami. Hi! Sige, binhod ang yung tel. Hurry up lang. Ito yung paborito namin kainin na lugar. Kainan na lugar. Kasi madami mga mura pagkain. Talong. Yan uyap Bagoong yan sa Tagalog. Talong.
Ako rin bayad din.
Paborito ni Chris. Paborito ko din.
Ako rin bayad din. Ako na call!
Hindi halatang gutom kami, no? Dami namin in order pero naubos namin lahat. You're hungry too, my dear, no? Yeah, kasi late na kasi. Dapat pag pag nakagising ka na ng mga 4 a.m., dapat mga 6 breakfast na. This is the third checkpoint na.
No, 4th checkpoint.
Fourth ba? Ay, fourth na di.
Agi naglaro ba?
Oh, sara ka agi.
Taas ng pila.
Sara ka agi.
Di pa baba dyan nila mga pasahero, oh. Tagsa-tagsa dyan. Manandugay dyan dyan. Open sesame. Kasi checkpoint na. Oh, very haba-haba ng pila ng sasakyan.
Retire naman.
Hanggang dun pa.
Maganda to.
Ako na ready na to. Wala na retire gyapon kay guwang naman.
Ayun, oh. Traffic.
Pulisan ta gyapon.
Parang city. Tara, pila, pag may time.
Pila pag may
No, iba na sila kanay nana.
Oh, grabe. Very nice. Kasi safe.
This is not nice.
Marilog na kami, guys. Kain muna kami ng lunch. Mag-CR muna tayo. CR. CR muna kami. Grabe yung frogs, guys. Grabe yung frogs tsaka ulan.
Naro.
Napakano, guys. Ayan, grabe yung frogs.
We're in Java City.
No.
Java City.
Welcome to Davao City.
I love Java City.
Okay, we just got home, guys. Hi, Mala. So, mag-rest muna ako. Kaya, i-end ko na ng early yung vlog ko ngayon. Kasi, napagod talaga ako. Tsaka, may constipation ako. Kaya, yung tiyan ko masakit. So, yun lang, guys. See you tomorrow, ha? Bye. Good morning, Davao. Jet lag pa rin kami, guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-toothbrush. Kaya, tatabunan ko muna yung mouth ko para hindi masingkot ni Chris. Still sleeping. Today, may lalakarin kami ni Mama. Bibili kami ng arenola. Alam niyo ba yung arenola? Kasi mahirap sa akin na mahirap sa akin na babangon ako tapos pupunta sa CR kasi yung CR dyan sa labas walang CR sa kwarto namin kaya mahirap punta doon tapos minsan may mga cockroaches tapos ginigising ko pa kasi papatayin yung cockroach kaya kailangan ko bumili ng arenola convenient nyo para sa akin na buntis medyo nawawala na yung bloated ng tiyan ko kasi nakapupo na ako 3 times yesterday tapos may constipation na naman ako lumalala naman yung yung hemorrhoids ko ewan sabi ni Doc daw hindi ito mawawala lalo na pabuntis ako lalaki pa siya kasi sa pressure ng baby masakit siya minsan kaya may dala ako lagi na cream maligo na ako ngayon guys kasi mag-breakfast pa ako ang kakainin ko lang yung kamote kasi pag nag-rise ako nagkaka-constipation ako maligo muna siguro ako bago ako mag-coffee chikoy yung kwarto namin kailangan pang ayusin tawag ka lang may tinapay ayun
Sus na pala na araw na nakadumdum ano na tas convenience na karnihan tanan ay pwede ko anak.
Okay guys, so we're here at Fort Davao and we're actually thinking about maybe buying a car. Maybe not today, but sometime soon, because if you guys knew, we had a Honda Fit. We still do, but it's a surplus car, and according to Fema and some other people, it's kagang. So these are some of the cars that they have here. We're looking at buying a really affordable car. The thing is that since we're having a son soon, since he's going to be born soon, I just want a new car. Not because it looks new, but because it will last a long time. We're inside one of the cars that we're thinking about buying. We have to get it approved by the bank first. But the interesting thing is it doesn't have a key hole.
You just press this
press
Ford power button.
I guess it has radio waves or something like that.
And I like how there's like phone, EUX, radio, CD, menu. So many dot.
I've been really sleepy lately. That's why I haven't really been in the vlogs, and maybe I look grumpy because traveling is no joke. You get really tired, right?
Yeah, traveling for 16
hours
is not a joke.
Makes you sleepy. One more thing. It has that sunroof things. Sorry, can you see?
Got it.
Yeah.
You can cover this.
And I guess you press that button there.
Press this button right here to open and close. And what is this?
Sunglasses.
Oh, wow!
Yeah. You gotta have your sunglasses, right?
My car is not really high-tech like this.
Yeah, so is this the cheapest one? The cheapest one at Ford?
No, there is... not sure.
This is there's cheaper, but we're not going for an expensive car.
But this is the high-end one.
The high-end, so it's a high-end, low-end car.
Yeah, there's an eco, low-end, and high-end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you ready?
I said the leather. This one is the high-end because it's leather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First time we ever bought a brand new car, right?
Yeah. It's also preparation for baby Zach. We have our second-hand car for 4 years already, and we're gonna sell that. Because we're gonna add that for our down payment, and we're gonna loan this in the bank for
no. I want the bank to loan us this. I don't want to loan the bank this because, and then maybe the cashiers will be like driving the car.
Oh.
We get a loan from the bank to pay for this.
We're going to get a loan for 5 years. Good evening. Sabi ni Chris, na over-fatigue daw siya kasi sa mga biyahe na ginagawa namin. So, ayun. Andito kami, naghihintay nila mama kasi andun sa mama sa bakery. Bumili ng tinapay. Hindi kami nakapag-grocery ngayon kasi I asked my mom to just go home directly from window shopping nag-window shopping kami ng pumunta kami ng Ford kasi yung uncle ko balak niyang bumili ng sasakyan for his family. Oh, sila. Yes, nakaiga pa din ako ngayon, guys. I-end ko na lang tong vlog na to kasi late na. Mag-edit pa ako mamaya ng vlog namin dun sa Cagayan, yung biyahe namin papuntang Cagayan. And sana makapag-upload ako ng 2 videos today para ma-upload ko to bukas. So yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kanina kasi medyo busy kami. Tsaka I was driving also. Buti na lang nag-agree si Chris sa akin nung nag-asa ko sa kanya na mag-vlog siya ng konti. Kahit na konti lang para mayroon ako ma-vlog ngayon. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching and we hope to see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!